Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the practical meanings of some parameters in simulation. First and foremost, it is this section. It mainly controls the effective frame delay in our simulation. First, let's select this joint chain. Take a look. First, there is the control for its softness. If, for example, we use the current parameter for solving. If the softness is relatively even. Let's simulate. Then we can see the overall dynamics. It goes from top to bottom. And it's a relatively even motion. If we want to make the top part more stiff and the bottom part more soft, we can make adjustments. Let's take a look. Then run it again. Let's see the changes. Now we have larger dynamics at the bottom, right? And the changes in upper area are smaller. Of course, we will perform the solving based on our desired effect. For example, let's say it's like a fishing rod. We might want to achieve a similar effect. Let's adjust it back. This value specifically controls the whole softness effect. It actually represents a frame delay. It determines how many frames we delay to achieve the simulation effect. For example, let's set it to a lower value. Let's set it to 5. In that case, it will appear relatively rigid. Alternatively, let's say we set it to a higher value like 30 or 20. Then the overall effect will be softer. Let's take a look. Now it appears overall more soft. As for the randomness of the softness, it doesn't have an effect when solving single joint chain. It only applies when we perform multiple joint chains solving in Sets Editor. If the softness is 15 and random number is 2, the range will be 15 plus 2 and 15 minus 2. It will randomly select a value between 13 to 17. Now, let's discuss this loop here. If our animation is meant to loop, and we want to get a looping result, we just need to enable it here. As long as it's greater than 0, the loop will take effect. But let's set it to a higher value. It will create a seamless blending effect. This way, there won't be abrupt transitions. Let's enable it and see. Now, let's observe the result. It creates a swinging effect with a looping motion. Now, let's open a new file. Take a look. Now, we have this joint. And it rotates up and then down. If we use the conventional approach without adding inertia, let's calculate and observe the effect. We need to add the frame to timeline. Let's see the result. It abruptly stops here, which doesn't look natural. So, we add an inertia parameter. Typically, this parameter ranges from 0 to 1. The larger the value, the stronger the inertia effect. Let's set it to 0.9. Let's see the result. Now watch it. The effect is more obvious. When it moves up, it doesn't abruptly stop here. It has some inertia. It swings here. Then it moves down. By adding inertia, it becomes more natural. Generally, the inertia value should not exceed 1. If it exceeds 1, the result may not be strange. Alright, this covers the explanation of the main parameters for the ribbon tool. Thanks for watching.